I told him I did. I do confine my big dogs while my little ones are out because I don't want them to hurt them, and I don't. But, I didn't know it was a crime to have animals. People are... The city sheriff come out here to investigate me on animal cruelty. Hey, Joanna. Hey. 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 Come here. Come on in the bathroom with me. Come on. Here, y'all watch me. What? Come on, baby. Come in here. I can explain. What are you barking at, baby? I don't know if I even got all that shit out. That's good enough. Come on, ladies. Let's go in here. Yeah. What are y'all doing, girl? Unplugging my TV? Huh? Well, that was nice. Have you ever done that? You're an a-hole. I hope I don't never come back. I would let y'all out, but it's raining. Come on, babies. Might as well enjoy y'all while I still got you. Animal cruelty. Get down. Move. Get down. Thank you. My seat. Supposedly, I tried to take a puppy out with a wire clothes hanger. That my dog is having a difficult birth, and I didn't try to help it. So he told me not to. But they don't. Also, Elsa's dying. Looks pretty healthy to me. She slipped on a step. She has arthritis. She's 15 years old. That's all I'm going to say about it. I won't be showing my doggies no more. He asked me if I had cats. I said, yeah, and they have their own freaking room. Oh, they're in a cage in the back room. Well, that's surprising to me that they're in a cage in the back room. Hell, I thought they was up here in the front room by the bathroom in their own damn bedroom. That I'm going to go in there and deep clean in a minute. That surprises the hell out of me, folks. I'm just flabbergasted. Hey, no, baby. No, it's good enough. It ain't. Cop! There's some shit starters on here. There's another creator on here. They done that shit too. Tried to get her damn pig took away from her. And so y'all just get to see my ass. Don't ask about the dogs. If you ask about the dogs, anybody that's my mod, block them. I don't care who you are. Hush! I don't care who you are. If you ask about them, you're going to get blocked. I'll never post another thing about them. Got too much time on their hands, yes. It's not bad. It's not. Hell, I've got company coming over here, and I was going to put all my dogs up in their crates, and now I'm scared to. Till my company leaves. Shit. Honey, you're just gonna have to buy them. No. I'm about to get off here. Go in here and take care of my pussies. My poor neglected pussies. Well, I can't be yelling at them no more. I'm a bad abuser. I said I yell at them sometimes when they try to get in their damn road. I don't want them to get their peckers squished. I hope not. I'm gonna be so freaking frazzled. I don't need stress right now. I don't need stress. Say something funny. Come on, y'all. Pull it out of your butthole. How many are you giving up? Do you file an appeal? What are you talking about? I'm just acting like a spaz, saying that they're going to come back and snatch all my babies away. They never said that. I doubt they're going to get Dottie. Dottie probably going to eat their ass up. They look like they have a big bone of fucking chicken on their neck. Excuse my French. He said my dogs look awful clean to be so damn neglected. Look awful taken care of. I ain't got no puppies in here. I do need to clean up some shit in the back, but I may just throw it out in the yard. Just like the rain do it. Hell, I fell up the steps too once upon a time. I told him I'd bleach my hair. All my babies were very well taken care of. No, he said it wasn't a neighbor. They got a really weird email, he said. He had never got an email like that in his entire life. And she read it to me. It said Joanna Warren, which is not even my name. I said, that's not even my name. What my address over here, they need to be a welfare check done immediately for animal cruelty. Their dog over there dying, and they're all in their feces and urine in their cages. I would show it my dogs in their kennels, in their clean kennels that I sprayed out and wiped out this morning. I didn't do the tops and the outsides. They still got some dirt on them. I do need to do that. But I would show you that, them in their kennels laying down sleeping. Didn't even bark when he come up. But I showed him one of my dogs. He said not be posting them on here. So y'all won't ever get to see them again. Don't be talking about them, don't be posting them, and we're in the discussion. My dogs go to the vet. They said that my dogs didn't go to the vet. They didn't. I showed on here on a video of me taking puppies out of my dog uterus with a coat hanger. I don't even own a fucking coat hanger. That's what's so wild about that shit. I don't even have a coat hanger. Where did I get this coat hanger on? There's some at JCPenney's. I told him I do the Dutch, like, video call, and they send my meds out here, so I don't have to take them to the vet for every little bitty thing. But if they need to go to the vet in person, then they're going to go to the damn vet in person. He said, do you know who it is? I said, no, I don't know who it is. It's some crazy person that's seen me on my damn live stream. Won't start shit. Probably some of my ex's bunch. Was what the first thing I thought. It's somebody that knows my address because my maiden name wasn't pulled up over here. But y'all didn't win. Don't be sending no more freaking crazy ass emails. I'm paranoid as hell. I'm going to have to go out here in the backyard and throw this rat cartridge off into the woods. Hell, they'll be trying to get me for animal abuse by the rat. Me too. Did I think that somebody could live in a house full of shit? I'm just saying, would you want to live inside of a house full of dog shit and piss? Oh, she's alright. I'm just asking anybody, because I wouldn't. Just watching a lady who did. Oh my God, really? Why? I'm gonna go in here in the very back and clean up my puppy pads. I sure as hell wouldn't want to smell shit and piss. I don't know where to start. I'm so damn combobulated. Should I go clean out the cat litter boxes first? Or should I go back here in the back room? I think I'm gonna go back here in the back room and get that done and feed my big boy. And then go in here and see if I can get some Clorox in this cat pee. Make some noxic gas in here. Like I done last time. Do what you want to do. You have to go. No, because it was stupid. Who in the hell comes up with this crazy shit? A wire freaking coat hanger. I pulled a puppy out of a dog. I said, my dog ain't got no damn puppies. What the fuck? I got dogs everywhere in here in cages. Well, they're right here at my feet. I said, they sleep in the damn bed with me. Does your cats ever leave their room? Yes, and they knock off all my dishes, and they knock poor grandma out of the shelf. And and if they don't, they have a whole big ass room to themselves with a cat tree. They knocked out poor grandma. Somebody just wants to start. Everybody does. Everybody. Probably send 14 more emails, too. Poor grandma. Dying damn dogs. Y'all dying? I'm pretty damn happy. They said, where's your next again? I don't have none. None that I claim, anyway. They're all dead. Ain't got nobody but the dogs. Live here by myself. I don't have one of them no more. Hey, baby. I love you. You get taken away and killed because of some idiot on the internet. I'm sorry. I love you with all my heart. Reported me to the city hall. Animal abuse. Through an email. Couldn't even call. I had to send a fucking email. Well, I think I'm gonna do my cats first. Only thing you're gonna see is the back of Anna's ears. You poor little dog. I know. I made Dad rinse my hair out again. I doubt I got all that shit out. Happy, healthy. I don't know. Probably. You know how they do. They're like DHR. Once they get a scent of you, they'll be over here. No. They ain't no limit. What the fuck they're doing. But let's go see. And when I say let's go see, let me go see what they're doing. Because it sounds like they're having some kind of house party. My cats. I don't trust in people. I do not trust people. I don't trust him. As far as I can see him, he's down. One of them. He said they looked healthy, you're good, and he wasn't coming back. He said just don't be posting nothing else. And I don't post anything. I don't get on here and post my live birth. Most states have a limit. No, they don't. No, they don't. City ordinances put limits on pets. Not most states have limits. That's not true. No, they don't. That's a lie. Most states do not have limits. Some states might have limits, but no. None of your damn business. Google it. You Google it. You think I'm smarter than fucking Google. Hey, look, you got blocked. You Google something. Google ain't the damn supreme leader. I'm older than fucking Google. I know more than he does. You Google something. It goes by city ordinance or county ordinance. Exactly right. Bang! Bada boom. Who's smarter than them? Who's smarter than Google? Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, I'm going to enjoy the evening with me having anxiety of a 45 because of him coming over here. I ain't going to take care of my animals and let my hair dry naturally because I don't feel like drying it. And y'all could send me a bunch of money and make me feel better. My heart's just broke. Do you like roses? I love roses. I want another rose bush to plant out front. Real roses. I love them. I like roses on here too. They're cute. We're all broke. Of course we are. I love y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful Monday. Thanks for making mine suck, donkey goober, whoever you are. I have a pink one out front. Somebody called Lyle on me. Oh, well, thank you, darling. Animal abuse. So I'm going to get off here and lay on the floor and stare at the ceiling and see how many times my ceiling fan's going to whip around. I love you, Bonna. You'll always be my baby. I have mixed breed Dalmatians that I never knew that I had too. By the way, I don't have any mixed breed Dalmatians. My Dalmatians are too old to have puppies. I don't have no mixed breed Dalmatians. Bunch of mixed breeds. I guess it's because I was talking about bullshits on here. Or maybe pinch dudes. I don't know. I just gave you a flower. You're okay in my book. Anyway. Strumming my pain with your fingers. But I can't enter my house without a warrant. I know that. And they're not coming in. So I took one of my dogs out there, showed it to him. It's healthy. He didn't ask for any other kind of thing. He's not animal control. He is from the city hall. He is chief of police. I'm in the city. So I'm under the city's jurisdiction. And he just had to come out here and check it out because he got a complaint. So that's all there are to it. And when he comes back, he ain't coming in my house. I ain't welcoming him in so they can get false fucking evidence on me. And that's why all my dogs are inside. There is no evidence yet, but they're crooked as shit. All of them. Well, come over here. We'll have a girls' day. Come kidnap me. Take me to town. I want to leave this place. I'm going nuts. They're driving me nuts down here. Popo 50, how dare you send them? I wanted to run out the back door. I wanted to run right out the fucking back door, down through the damn weeds, and then I realized, bitch, you ain't gonna do nothing wrong. What the hell they're here for? Must have the wrong fucking house. But that damn OG gangster in my ass. I just wanted the damn whoop. Skippity-doo-dah, skippity-yay. I guess I need to get around there and get all that dog hair I threw out the back door up, too. They'd probably say that's a dead dog. It was out of the vacuum. I can't stand them either. It was out of the fucking vacuum. I guess I need to get around there and get that up. I'll do that tomorrow when it ain't raining. I ain't doing it today, it's fucking raining. Sure. Every rose. Hurry it up so I can get off of here. My dog's snoring. He was just doing his job. I realize that, but the OG gangster street person in me just wanted to bolt out the back door like a damn gazelle and run off through the weeds. Then I realized, hell, you ain't doing nothing illegal. He said, don't be showing my house, so y'all can't see my house. Stop looking at it. Waste of everybody's time and resources. You could send them after somebody that's actually abusing their animals. And I may have miscounted when I told him, but I was very stressed. Well, I guess so. Somebody said I did. I never knew it. I thought I was really good to them. I love them. We share our food. We're all asleep. I didn't do that. It was sarcasm. Anyway, I'm going to let these cats out for a little while. I'm going to put these gloves on where I can spray them with some. People are just being nasty like they do that. Part of the social. Yep, sure are. You're good to them. Do you like your hair? I will when I get done with it. I gotta let it dry. I know. But I was being sarcastic. I don't do a damn thing against my animals. I sure as hell ain't got no damn coat hanger and try to riffle out a puppy. Who in the hell would do that? I guess somebody need to get a coat hanger to one of them. Hell if I fucking know. Red. Honey Doody, I'm gonna get off here. I don't believe they'll show follow up. Yeah, he said just don't be posting nothing, so don't ask about them. Wait, what did they say? Report you doing? A couple of weeks ago, one of my dogs was giving birth. Which dog gave birth a couple of weeks ago? I ain't had no puppies in over a year. First of all, my dog a couple of weeks ago was giving birth, and I got on here and posted about it having a difficult birth. She did, but she got through it. She had her puppies on her own. I didn't insist. I tried to, but there wasn't nothing I could do. So I was going to see if she could have it, and if she couldn't, I was going to take her to the vet. I did not, this was over a year ago, by the way, I did not take a freaking coat hanger and stuff it up in my dog. And, I mean, how would you even use something like that, by the way? A coat hanger ain't going to fit up in a freaking dog's vajayjay, a little-ass dog. What the fuck's wrong with people? Even if you tried to do something like that. But I would never do that. That's just freaking nuts. I love you. I love you. Tried to pull puppies out with a coat hanger, would not get medical attention for my dog. My dog had needed to go to the emergency vet in Decatur. I would have went. I would have got somebody to take me if I didn't have my vehicle. I'm probably abusing it by kissing him. It's a girl. Hers a girl. I love you. I told him I did do my own grooming. I said it probably don't look too great, but I done the best I could. And show me you tweeted. You're not supposed to show your face. No, you can't show your... You can't... You can't show your face. But you can't. Well, anyway, I'm going to get off of here and scabby-dabby-doo. Oh, no. Wants to be the door. Who's the cutest doggy in the world? You know he is. I love my babies. I'm going to start in here and work myself back. I'm going to go. Peace out. I need some music. I need some angry music. Everything sucks. Break something tonight. Woohoo! Here we go. Alright. Scatter out. Peace out, y'all. That's the wrong button.